This is a quick look at the Bora Universal Mobile Base, model PM-1050. I'm constantly moving tools around the workshop, which is why I got this. And most folks will use it with a table saw, but it works just as well with a bandsaw. I was using these furniture dollies, but they were a nightmare to roll around and I had to remove them to use the saw. With the Bora base, the saw stays on the stand. The stand is well made and strong. Supposedly it can handle up to 400 pounds. It wasn't too hard to assemble, although the instructions weren't very good. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but apparently a diagram is worth fewer. These are the instructions. Thankfully, no parts were missing, although the instructions didn't address all the parts shown in the diagram. To roll the stand, you step down on the levers to lift it, and then roll it to wherever you want to use it. And then lift the levers to drop the stand back down. I'll give you a closer look. Here's one of the leveling feet. There's a second one on the opposite side. The 3-inch plastic wheels in the front swivel, but the rear wheels do not. It can be a little hard to maneuver in tight spots, but it can be done with a 5-point turn. And lastly, there's generous space in each corner that keeps your saw stabilized. These are the specifications from the packaging. Be sure to take note of maximum and minimum sizes, and keep in mind, changing the size once you've set it up requires removing a lot of nuts and bolts. It's not a quick process. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.